Vicki Norris, president and founder of Restoring Order, and I am a life reclaimist. Well, what's that? It's somebody who's taken their life back. Because every single one of us is overwhelmed, at least in some area of our life, our household, our work, our health, and our spirit. And Restoring Order exists to provide organizing services, hands-on help, products, ideas, content to help you get your life back. So I hope you join us on all our platforms and share your journey of being a life reclaimist. Reclaiming your household is about so much more than home organizing. It's about taking back what matters most in your life. Who cares if your house looks like a magazine if there's no family harmony, if you don't have a positive family culture and habits and routines and rhythms of life that make life worth living. Taking back your household is taking back your life. Reclaiming your work involves more than just organizing your desk. It's more than your job, it's more than your workspace. Reclaiming your work is about discovering what's in here. What is your contribution to the world? Reclaiming your health usually happens when you've reached a point of pain, like our family did. And at that point, you have to decide if you're going to become your own wellness advocate. Because reclaiming your health is about more than fitness, it's about more than just diet. It is all those things. But above all, it's about internal as well as external wholeness. Reclaiming your spirit is a process of removing internal clutter, the junk in the trunk, so that you can stop living your life out of obligation and expectation, and you can discover the original you.